Plant inventories tell the story of Oregon places and the plants that are found there. In this tool, found in the header under the Tools tab, we present 3 projects, each with a theme. Let's look at this first one, which is based on a chapter in Volume 1 of the Flora of Oregon and features some of the best places to see plant diversity across the state. In every project, you can select a checklist or species list using a map and clicking on a dot representing that checklist, or filtering or browsing through a list down below. For every checklist, you can view these results in 2 ways, using the Explore view or the Identify. Let's say that we're going to go to Kingston Prairie. Opening this checklist in the Explore view, we can see all of the plants that have been discovered at this place. We can view this information in a couple of different ways, and the list can be exported as either a Word document or a spreadsheet. Let's say while we're at Kingston Prairie, we come across a plant that we don't know what it is. So using the information that OregonFlora has gathered of the plants on this place, we can open the Identify view and then, using the choices in the left column, choose features that we recognize for our unknown plant at this place. Each selection will allow the list to get smaller and smaller and help us identify the plant that we've seen while on our outing. Another project in the OregonFlora Inventories tool is the species list. Many plant lovers have places that are special for them. For over 20 years, OregonFlora has been collecting lists of plants that people have observed at such places. Some 5,000 of them have been submitted. This inventory project shares these lists. Again, you can select a project by zooming into an area on the map and clicking on the dot, or you can filter on the list below using keywords. Note that you can sort your list either alphabetically or geographically, east to west or west to east. A third project supplements the Grow Natives tool that gives information about how to use native plant species in gardens and landscaping. The Inventories tool is a way to get an in-depth look at the plants of special places across Oregon.